Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by preparing the essentials. Make sure your iPhone is updated and Bluetooth and Find My are enabled. Once done, hold the AirTag near the phone. You'll hear a chime when it's awake. You'll see a prompt appear on screen, tap Connect. If no prompt shows, open Find My, tap Items, then Add Item. This starts the pairing handshake and tells your iPhone to register the AirTag to your Apple ID. You'll now configure identification and permissions so the tag is useful. When prompted, pick a preset label or enter a custom name to make locating easier later. Next, confirm the AirTag is tied to your Apple ID. This prevents others from linking it. Make sure location services and Bluetooth permissions are allowed. If you have a U1 chip iPhone, enable precision finding for on-screen directional guidance. Finish by testing the AirTag. Use Play Sound and Find Nearby to confirm responsiveness and accuracy. Make sure the battery tab was removed and the CR2032 battery is seated correctly. Replace the cell if the tag won't connect. If you experience issues, try toggling Bluetooth off and on, restart your iPhone, and bring the AirTag within a few inches before attempting pairing again. If the tag still fails, remove it from Items and repeat the Add Item flow to force a fresh registration.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.